How to dress a fighter in Real Boxing 2. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to equip clothes in Real Boxing 2. So if you are new to channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, make sure that you have game installed in your device. And if you have game installed in your device, simply open the game. And once you have opened the game, simply navigate to the shop section, and once you are in the shop section, tap on inventory to access your available clothing options. Select the clothing items you want. For this video, I'm gonna simply equip the new shoes. So I'm gonna simply tap on shoes and select the different shoes. And when I'm done selecting the new shoes, I'm gonna simply tap on equip button. And that's it. Your outfit is now equipped and ready for action. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.